What we've got here is some curious cows.
Curious bystanders.
And I'm suspecting that one of these is in heat. You see the sniffing going on here? And then, if the cow stands in place, such as 104 is,
972.
well, 972 is bulling. That doesn't mean she's in heat. 104 was standing, which means she's probably in heat, which needs to be reported. So the horrible act of having this 104 inseminated will occur, therefore producing what we saw, calves.
Oh, baby.
Now 104 looks like she wants to do some bulling, which doesn't mean anything, but we saw her standing, which is called a standing heat.
This little baby came when I called it.
There's Mama making sure, and then you got this little sidekick.
Yeah, that's like sister
Oh.
or brother.
Let's see the travesty about the cats. This would be a saucer of milk, actually. And look, I've scared the poor kitty away. But that's actually a saucer of milk.
Devastating.
And they didn't know I was coming. I'm a member of the improvement of the lives of cattle on a factory farm, as you can tell by my official vehicle.
Oh, shoot.